Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Hen and Rooster RV Adventure. Today, nice sunny day, we're out here at Kerr Lake, Manson, North Carolina at County Line State Park. We're going to do a complete walkthrough like we did with J.C. Cooper and show you all the sites, the primitive and the full hookup sites except for sewer. They have a nice dump station right outside the main gate. And today we have our grandkids with us that love to come and camp with us and play on the playground.
What better way to start than at site 1? This is the first primitive site right by the lake, and I think the first 1 through 7 are primitive sites, and then we'll walk along and do a full walkthrough and get all the way to the RV sites.
Typically sites, primitive sites 1, 2, and 3 have a nice beach, but currently the lake level is at about 307, so the water is super high. Here's some overflow parking. This campground doesn't have a private ramp within the campground. You have to go outside the park to launch your boat, but you can bring your trailer back up here and secure it inside the campground. Here's the family bathhouse for the County Line State Park. This is the only one in the entire campground. This is site 16, which is a buddy site. We have done a father-son camp out on this site with 2 campers. You got plenty of room. You could even set a tent up over in that area. And like a lot of these campsites along the water, you got some amazing views. But like I mentioned before, the water is super high. 307 this weekend. A couple of weeks ago when we were staying at J.C. Cooper, it was 295. If you saw how low it was, you typically have a little bit of a beach right here in the summertime. This is site 19. We've reserved this for a couple of months from now. We've never stayed here and we are so excited. It doesn't have much of a beach right off the site. It's a bunch of rocks. But when the water's down, you do have a walkway over there to get down to a beach over in that area. We are looking so forward to relaxing at these views for a few days coming up in a couple of months. Site 19. Here's your views from Site 23. Looks like a greater than 180-degree view of the lake. That's what the grandkids love about County Line. Well, every state park that we go to, they love the playground.
Okay, so you can come to the park when your mom's, if you can ask your mom, you can come to the park, and if you see some friends, you might be friends with them, and you might want to play with them, and I think that's all. Sometimes you can come here and you make new friends, and you can ask them to play tag and hide and go seek and freeze tag, and ask them if you can play join in with them sometimes.
Good job, guys. I appreciate y'all having some input on the Hen and Rooster RV Adventure video. Looking forward to some camping with y'all this summer. I believe that's Site 33. You just got to watch your water level. As you see, the water is up into the site. And this road continues across over to that little island. And there are primitive sites over there. So again, check your water levels before booking, or you may not be able to access your site. Site 66 is a nice site. Got a little handrail with a wonderful view. In the summer, you got a nice beach down here. But this weekend, as you can see, the road is flooded. We had to walk around. Across from Site 66 to Site 65. We will be on Site 65 for 2 weeks this summer, enjoying a nice quiet cove and some beautiful sunsets. This is Site 71. It's got a very long driveway. You would have some seclusion on this site. Nobody around you. This very private section of the campground down a dirt road is the primitive group camping. Very secluded. Amazing views. County Line State Park. Kerr Lake, Henderson, North Carolina. Well, that's a wrap. We have walked the entire County Line State Park campground. We hope you enjoyed following along with us. Remember, we are the Hen and Rooster RV Adventures. Want to make some little side notes about this campground. This is one of a few around Kerr Lake that do shut their gate at 9 o'clock at night. If you need to get out for an emergency, you'll have to reach out to your camp host or your park ranger to be able to let you out.
So that's a negative for this campground, and also that they're not full hookups. So I know that's a downfall for some people as far as sewage, but you are around the lake, so they can't provide for that. There are no wash stations here, but they do have a bathhouse. And another negative is they are not open year round.
Yeah, we will put notes in the comments about the times that this campground will be open. But there are several other campgrounds around the lake that are open year-round that we enjoy coming up here quite a bit. So until next time, drop us a like, a follow, and subscribe. And like I said in our previous video, we will be coming up real soon to a campground that has been renovated in our local area within an hour's drive of Raleigh, North Carolina. And they have given us exclusive rights to come in and shoot a video, and you're going to want to watch that. Till next time,
Stay tuned.
Happy camping.